video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Blaine County Bank MLO by MXC scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The MLO will cost you around 40 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. Now we need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the bank which we have installed into our FiveM server, and this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the bank. So as you can see, this is the brand new look of the Blaine County Bank over here. This is the area where employees work. This is the main office of the bank. There is one more office over here. And this is the bank service desktop, or you can say the counter area of the bank. This is the staff only room. So this is the garage for Group E truck. And this is the break room of the bank over here. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.